Through this video, we'll learn how to convert each and every sheet in a workbook to a CSV file. So if we want to convert each sheet in a workbook to a CSV file, we will write a simple Python code. Uh, so here I've taken the data wherein in this sheet orders I've got 10,001 rows. Again in returns I've got 285 rows. Again when it comes to people I've got 4 rows with 2 columns. So I'll use this workbook and convert each and every sheet to a CSV file. So let's see how we can do it. Let's open Python. So we'll write converting each worksheet in a workbook to a CSV file. Let's make this as a heading. Okay. So now we need pandas. So we need to import pandas. Import pandas as PD. Let's assign it as PD. And then we use a variable which would store pd.excel file, and then we need to give it a name, the name of the file we are going to read. So I think we have got it here. Just a second. So we copy the file, paste it here. I know it's XLX. So we'll read the file. Again, we need to, so we'll see what's the name of each sheet. We'll try to print that. So for that we need sheets underscore name. So we'll print it. Print. Let's see. Should be, I think. Yep. So we have got 3 sheets and the names are right here. Let's check. So if you see orders, returns, and people. So you've got it right here. Now let's iterate. So we'll use a for loop to iterate between these sheets. So we'll use xlx dot sheet underscore names, and then we start reading. So we'll read and store each and every data of, so we'll read each sheet and store the data in a data frame. So here we start reading read underscore excel, and we know the name of the sheet isn't sheet. So we'll read each sheet and store the data in the data frame. So why not convert it here itself to CSV rather than using a different loop. So we'll use the same data frame and convert it into CSV. So whatever data is there in data frame, so this loop reads each and every sheet and stores the data in data frame. Again, same data frame is converted into CSV. So let's see if it shows an error. Okay, it shows an error. So here it's Excel because here it's XLS. Okay, so here let's see. So you can see it converted each and every. So we have got three sheets, and each sheet has been converted into a different CSV file. Let's open one. Let's open. So we say this. Let's check if the data is correct. So you see, so this is the way we can convert each and every sheet into a CSV file. In the coming videos, we'll learn more on how to use Python code with uh, various in various to solve various problems. Thank you for watching this video.